Setting the status bar to show all notifications during Do Not Disturb ensures you can quickly view all alerts at a glance without opening the notification panel, even when interruptions are minimized. This is how you do it. First, tap the Home button to return to your home screen. From the home screen, swipe down from the top of the screen and tap the Settings icon. In the Settings menu, scroll down and select Notifications. Next, find and tap on Advanced Settings. Under the status bar section, tap Show Notification Icons. By default, it's set to display the 3 most recent notifications. To see all notifications, simply select All Notifications. This way, your status bar will show every notification if you have more than 3. Once you're done, tap the Home button to return to the home screen. And that's it. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more helpful tutorials.